Hi, I'm Caroline. I'm an experienced nutritionist and naturopath, and I'm delighted to be running my next online group program all about skin health. I know many of you are concerned about the aging process, wrinkles, midlife skin breakouts and dry skin, and much more than that. And that's why I've chosen to run this program starting on the 12th of September for 21 days. You'll have 21 days of recipes. There'll be options for vegans and vegetarians. There'll be lots of information about foods to eat more of, foods to avoid, weekly webinars, Q&A, and lots more. I've even got an experienced skin therapist to come on and run one session to help answer your Q&A and give more information about how to take good care of your skin. Do come and join the program. Register as soon as you can. You'll get advanced information, start to plan earlier with the recipes, optional supplements, and you'll get so much from these 21 days.